Welcome! In this video, we will cover the visit summary, which is available to you within the billing page of Field Central for visits that are ready to be reviewed for invoicing. Need to make an adjustment to a visit prior to sending a customer invoice? The visit summary is where all of that takes place, and it is extremely valuable to ensure a positive customer experience. Once you have logged into your Field Central web account, navigate to the main menu and select Billing. Within the billing page, set the desired filter parameters and then click Retrieve to generate a list of visits ready for invoicing. To dive deeper into the details of any of the visits listed and make any necessary edits, click on the corresponding Visit Summary button on the right-hand side of the screen. The first tab will allow you to adjust any employee's time records and the materials logged on the visit. Simply click on the plus button beside either option. Within the Notes tab, you are able to review all notes associated with the visit and make edits as needed. Additionally, you can review the following tabs for more information or make any desired edits. Subtasks. These are subtasks that were taken within the visit and they will populate as a list. Email. Any email communications sent surrounding the visit. Attachments. Any images or documents that were added to the visit. Assessments. View or delete any assessments associated with the visit. In the event the visit status was updated incorrectly, you may also adjust the status here. Lastly, at this point, you also have the ability to override the bill amount prior to invoicing for the visit. Ready to give it a go? The visit summary is an important piece in ensuring the visit information is accurate for your customer prior to sending the visit to billing and generating a customer invoice.